I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
Kasi kanya pong development, hindi tinatawag po yung PCC. So, yung environmental, nag-i-usap pa rin LDCPSO and barangay representatives, General Services Head, LGNO, at Sangguniang Representative. At kaya naman pong institutional development, dito pa rin po nga ito, NPDC staff, LDC, kaya na kayo po rin LGO, local administrator at saka Sangguniang Representative na po. So, dito po din, for technical working group, dito po expanded, kaya ko na lang po, makabase na po yung ating Executive Order 09 of 1987. So, ano lang po rin ang composition na po kay National in Citizen Order Council, dito po municipal counterpart. Ilang po maging members na po. Tapos ito pong CSO representative po kay Citizen Order Council, appointed niya po kay Municipal Mayor. Ito pong CSOs. Ito pong Citizen Order Council. So, kita po local health board, niya po isasabihin ko ng NPIO, representative organization should be involved in health services, sana po, or composed of individuals that have competencies that are related to or may contribute sa pong functions na po yung local health board. Kaya 3 organizations na po, then pwede po yung local citizen order council sana po, na mamili po, ikakasama po mayor po, pareha po mga shoes. Hindi po kita yung replacement of representative organization yung kanya po siguro sa akin. Pwede yung ma-revoke yung accreditation or recognition na po. No, mag-violate kayo po any existing accounting and auditing laws, rules and regulations. At unauthorized use kayo po ng lagyo or logo na po ng LGU or any non-governmental organization. At mag-conduct kayong activities without adherence to local laws. O po hindi yung activity dissemination lang po usually. So, yan po recognize CSOs po roles and responsibilities. So, kailangan po mag-have kayo participate na po in planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation, supporting programs, projects, and activities in their respective local government through participation in the sectoral and functional committee of the LDC. So, i-guarantee tayo po ng autonomy ng kayong organization by not allowing it to be influenced or used for purposes of partisan market. Kung sasabihin po kaya lang din. So, mag-provide kayo po kay local special bodies in which nunuhan kayo po member or invited to participate in with data and information essential to the formulation of plans, programs, and activities. Mag-conduct po in coordination with the Sanggunian soft skills. Kaya pong local health board, kaya pong section 1, after the expectations, check, then intro to cut them for CSOs in health. Section 2, uncovering our reality in health. Kaya pong section 3, CSO engagement, strengths and challenges. Kaya pong section 4A, local health board, the LGS platform for participatory health governance. Section 4B, the CSO's platform for social change. Section 5, sharing the vision in health. Section 6, strengthening intersectoral collaboration and community participation. At Section 7 po, action planning. Kaya ang local school board po, isa pong state of education in Module 1. Module 2 is the local school board convention. Module 3, the volunteer of its constitution by laws and or article of incorporation. list of officers and members. Kung mapansin niya po, yung ko itong list of officers and members nito. Siyempre po, organization kayo po, kayong officers and members. Ito pong financial statement ng if applicable mo po at certificate of registration or certificate of accreditation if applicable. So then po the requirement for membership for the People's Council. So kailangan na po practical back. So kailangan po evaluation of CSO-led officer in coordination with the Sanggunian. So, yung po kaya tamang CSO-led officer, Mr. Richard, kailangan po mag-prepare yung po list of qualified CSOs and all those that have submitted for complete requirements as natin and met the criteria shall be given a certificate of authorization po. So, in Sanggunian po, will then facilitate the formal creation of the People's Council in order to formally create the council. So, ito po criteria for the evaluation of membership in the People's Council. Akin po itong organization purposes and objectives. Ito pong track record for at least 1 year at reliability as evidenced by annual reports and annual meetings. Ulit-ulit lamang po din masasambit lang, pero hindi lang po talaga rin kailangan na asin sa'yo i-carry po organization po. So, kita na po kapat na ba? Issuance of certificate of primarily or to be used primarily for partisan political activities or religious purposes. So, hindi po suggested council organization. Kung wala po leading General Assembly, lalang na po yung Board of Trustees, kasi na yung EXECOM. So, lalang na po yung Board of Trustees at yung organization and capacity building at admin and finance. Lalang na po, DETA, ating Committee on Local Development, on Education at saka Committee on Health. So then, standing committees po, atin po they mag-form at mag-act as support groups for the representatives to the various local special bodies. So, kita po Committee on Local Development for the representatives to the LGC po. So, Committee on Education for the representatives to the local school. So, kita po po subcommittees, limada, Committee on Social Development, Economic Development, Infrastructure, Physical and Land Use Development, Environmental Management, and Institutional Development. Then po din, 5 subcommittees. So, kaya po meeting, then po din kailangan achieve. Board of Trustees, Executive Committee, Standing Committee, Special Committee, nung frequency of meetings, yung schedule, tapos ang decision making, and so forth and so on. So, mahihiyari nga bigyan ang presentation na po. So, nakalupong na salamat. Yan kung papakiramdam nyo at papag-participate. Yan kung siya katanong activity for the civil society organization. Expect nyo po ba na mag-submit kayo? Wala nang daw.
Okay po na tayo po manuli po. Kung natin po nag-invest power kayo na pamalatag kayo kayo sa mga pang-participate kayo sa civil society organizations. Hindi po talaga masalit man, pero iyan din nangyaranan yung pagkasameto, iyan din nangyaranan yung pagkasulat po, tuloy sa ating requirements at pagkanika, kaya include ko po lalo na po ang ikakatamo na special body na ikakatamo na committee na ikakatamo na organization organization standard na ikakatamo na organization. Ako, kaya participation at sana po then kung ano tayo space routes ang kita tamo kung pang-accelerate for the accreditation, sana ate tayo po, agwa natin po. Ako. So, salamat sa po, may live tamo po, may kita tamo na organization ng makanalang tamo mag-participate kay local government. Ako, salamat po.
Dahil namin po, may papawalan na daan. Tayo kapapalan namin sa ilan po kung buhay ko. Ang araw. Tawag ko siya parang kiri. Ako.